Hello. I'm Stephanie from GovBizGuide, and this is one of a series of videos about federal contract spending in various industries throughout the United States. In this video, we plan to show you federal contract industry spending for the last fiscal year, projected upcoming contracting dollars for the next 12 months, top states for this industry in terms of dollars, top prime contractors, top agencies and offices, most frequent types of contracts used, top products and services sold, and give you steps to get started pursuing these contracts. Okay, let's get started. Here is the industry sector we will be focusing on in this video. We will be using federal contracting statistics provided directly from a federally supported website called usaspending.gov. As you are probably aware, if the website address ends in .gov instead of .com, that means it is a government website instead of a commercial website. So, for this industry, we are going to first review the spending for the last fiscal year, in this case fiscal year 2012. As you can see, there were a lot of dollars spent in this particular industry sector throughout the United States. Next, we are going to look at upcoming dollars. USA spending does not have a map feature for this, so we have to extract the data. Here are the results. These are projected contracts and dollars for the next 12 months for this industry code. Keep in mind, this data represents the entire country. We understand that you may not work throughout the United States, and it's important that you know GovBizGuide has the ability to refine this information down to your specific area with our early notice contract map. So, what are the top 5 states historically for spending in this industry code? Here they are, along with dollars spent overall in fiscal year 2012. These statistics represent the location where the contract will be performed, also known as place of performance. These states will be among the top states for upcoming contracts as well. If, like many small businesses, you don't have federal contracting experience, you should strongly consider taking advantage of the federal government small business subcontracting program. Here are the top 5 prime contractors for this industry code. The government requires big prime contractors like this to include small businesses, like yours, for just about every large federal contract they bid on. GovBizGuide can help you prepare to engage these companies correctly. If you want to pursue contracts directly, these are the top 5 agencies and offices within the federal agencies that spent dollars in this industry. Keep in mind, federal agencies typically want to deal with businesses that have a proven track record of experience in the federal market. If you decide to engage the agency directly, unless you have significant experience, you are going to need help. Our Essentials Kit will get you prepared. Next, these are the most common types of contracts utilized by the federal government in this industry. Each type of contract has different variations of risk and benefits associated with it for both the contractor and the government. It's important you understand the risks and responsibilities for each type of contract used in your industry. And finally, here are the categories for most common products and services sold in this industry to the federal government. Keep in mind, products and services are typically categorized under pretty broad terms. Just remember, if there is a commercial market for your product or service, there is likely a significant federal market as well. In fact, there's a good chance the federal market is a much bigger opportunity in terms of potential dollars for you. So, now that you see the potential in your market, what should you do next? Well, there are 4 keys to getting started. First, you have to have a strong foundation. That means your DUNS record and system for award management, or SAM, profiles, are aligned and correct. Then, you need to be visible and relevant in the federal government small business marketing database. Next, you need to have a great government resume, more commonly referred to as a capability statement. This is the document that will allow you to make a great first impression with government buyers or prime contractors. And finally, you have to refine the data in this industry down to the specific people, places and contracts that match your business, and you need to know about that information before your local competition. You get all this: registration support, marketing support, custom capability statement, and early notice custom designed contract map in the GovBiz Guide Essentials Kit. With these tools, you will be within the competitive range to compete for federal contracts in this industry within 30 days. No other company can make that promise. Go to govbizguide.com or call us and learn how the GovBiz Guide Essentials Kit gets your company prepared to sell to your largest potential client, the federal government, in 30 days. Thanks for watching. Bye.